Guys, so Mystic Mountain, that's where we are today, right here in Ocho Rios. Stay tuned. I'm gonna bring you guys around the entire property. Stay tuned, guys. So welcome back to the channel. Alright guys, so Mystic Mountain is where we are today. So I'll be taking you guys on a tour, so definitely stay tuned, watch to the end. The video will be long, but watch to the end. You may not be able to be at Mystic Mountain today, but you can travel along with me to enjoy everything. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and also subscribe as well. And remember, if you have never been to Mystic Mountain, put it on your list. You know, it's not only the tourists that should enjoy Jamaica, but we definitely need to enjoy a piece of Jamaica ourselves. So stay tuned, watch to the end. Alright guys, very tranquil. You know, I think it's a very good location to visit with your family, with friends, with co-workers, with a team. You know, you name it. So it's very nice. A lot of different activities. Great location. So it's a rainforest type of vibes.
Over the top is where you find the bobsled, zip line, ATV,
Okay.
rock climbing, restaurant and pool. Everything over that. Here will not stop. Just stretch your legs out.
Alright guys, so we're now on the Sky Explorer. So this ride is 15 minutes in the year. Or year, sorry. Very relaxing ride. To be honest, not that scary because it's not fast. It's not like a zip line. So that's where you check in. You can see some persons down there. And I think these things have to go through a lot of, you know, safety protocol and approval, because if somebody falls out this, oh my. So I think this is one of the highest points, and I think we'll be able to see the ocean at one point as well.
No, and it's not totally scary, but the height, you're scared of height.
Alright guys, we have some awesome views of the town of Ocho Rios. Oh, I guess the highest point is up there, so we'll be going up top. You know, I think this took a lot of engineering, and I'm sure it took some time to be completed. You know, with all these equipment, and then safety is paramount as well. Beautiful ocean though, beautiful view. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I know this video will be a little bit longer than usual, but watch to the end guys. If you have never been to Mystic Mountain, you know, bring your family, bring yourself, bring a team. You know, it's an awesome place just to relax, And you have zip line, you have the Sky Explorer, bobsled, that's a fast ride, and some others as well. Show you guys up above. So those are the cables and the motors and the rotors. Yeah, very interesting, right? And then let me show you guys down. So I think probably this is the slowest part because we're going uphill. And then the road is down there to the town of Ocho Rios. Alright guys, so that was the ragamuffin. Not super scary, but there are points where you flash left, right, center, and it comes off a bit scary, but it's manageable. You know, that is the ragamuffin. So you guys definitely come check out Mystic Mountain. What I like about it, you have a lot of different activities, and one of the packages is where you can get unlimited rides. You know, there's no restriction, so that's good. So you can go on it multiple times. But here is another 2 persons coming on the ragamuffin. All right, guys. The female is crying. Oh my. They're bawling. All right, guys. We're gonna wait on another so you guys can zoom in on the face. So wait for it. I think they're coming slowly. Alright, these guys don't seem to be scared. I'm not hearing any screaming. I guess they're quite fine. Alright, so you also have a cave as well. So this section is for the cave. So that's the cave. You can go and explore like Dora the Explorer. Alright guys, so come along with me. So we're going through the cave, not very long. See some lights. Hopefully we don't see no snakes. Yeah, so it's very short. So I guess it's a natural cave and they probably restructure it a bit for safety. Alright, so we're out of the cave already. Now we're back right here. Alright guys, so this is the bobsled. We just came downhill. So now we're going back uphill. Downhill is a bit fast, but you have a brake to help to reduce your speed, which is good. If there was no brake, it would have been a super fast ride. But it's the first time being on one of these. You guys can let me know if you've ever been on one. Remember to comment, remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to share. For parts of the video that you don't hear any talking, and that's because of the music. There's music everywhere, and you know YouTube has a lot of copyright. Mystic Mountain is where we at. Very relaxing, feel connected to nature. Again, you can bring your families, just come chill. Your friends, co-workers. Anybody have come?
Oh, look, I found you guys. Look.
Oh, that's a nice picture!
I found you guys.
Hello. You guys try the bobsled first, that's it. Yeah. No man. Alright guys, so this is it. Mystic Mountain, Jamaica. Right here in Ocho Rios, St. Anne. If you have never been here, you need to add it to your to-do list, to your bucket list. Very nice fun spot, a lot of different activities, good entertainment, restaurant is here, pool is here, bobsled, you name it, they have it. So book it on your calendar, whether it's you alone, you and a significant other, you and your family, or you and your co-workers. Mystic Mountains is where you want to be. So remember to like the video, remember to comment on the video, let me know what you think, and remember to share the beauty of Jamaica. That's what we're highlighting here. So Mystic Mountain, nice place to be. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section.